What's going on, guys? Today I will show you how to charge $5,000 for your AI automation agency chatbot. There is only the hard way. So a lot of people want to start charging $500, $1,000 immediately. You cannot. You must start from $100 to $300 and increase the price with experience and slowly. It's a big mistake to reject a $100 work offer, thinking that you are better than everybody else, but in reality, you are the same as everybody because nobody wants to do it for $100. What some people do is they say, I'm not going to do this for $100. I'm going to wait 5 months and do it for $500. And then opportunity, like they never get the opportunity even. It's correct to take the first job as low as necessary, even free, and start building experience and clients and network. It's incorrect to wait for 5 months hoping for a $500 job that may never come because of your ego. You need to start working. You need to start working and learning as soon as possible. It's better to make money right now than not to make so on this offer. How to increase the price? Increase the price with each client a bit. If you're anxious, it's better to underprice early and still get experience than to overprice and use clients. When clients become more consistent, start increasing price for new clients. Keep increasing until clients are complaining but still paying. If they are not complaining, the price is too low. Remember this. If they are not complaining, the price is too low. Business is a game of margins, not volume. This is said by Dan Lok. It's easier to sell 2 times $5,000 product than 5 times $2,000 product. A game of margins, not volume. $5,000 largest realistic value you can sell for. Aim for that. If you are selling a single chatbot, don't think of $5,000 as a hard limit to your offer. Maybe you are offering more than just a chatbot, or maybe your chatbot is worth more than 5,000. But usually right now, 2,000 to 5,000 is around what the chatbots are worth. A single chatbot is worth. This is how to price your product. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.